Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be playing some I'm gonna be playing some Tornado. No. I'm bad at this. Oh, good, I can move that. I'm gonna play some Roblox. One second. Okay, bubble in my throat. Okay. So now we're going to do Roblox Titanic. Okay. Where's my name? Didn't. that back. Sorry, but I had to join a different server. My username was showing up as guest. It's really efficient banana man. Come on, people. So yeah, okay, okay, the moon is rising. Jack Dawson just said I'm the king of the world. What? You know what? Hold on a second. Eggs judge induce unity duty egg. Subgenius by eye. That's really good. Roblox Titanic 11? Wow, the server must have been running for a while. Yep. Oh my goodness, it's the grand staircase. It's hard to see. We should have binoculars. Heavens. So, yeah, I'm on top deck. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay. The sky went down. No, not Sweet Home Alabama. Hold on, I'm making a video. And returning. What?
What's the video about?
The Roblox Titanic.
Oh, that's scary. It's like the whole thing is black. So you can't see.
What do you mean the whole thing is black?
Jonathan, if you don't want Jack in the playroom, you can just simply close the door.
Okay. Okay, message. My food's ready. If only I could say that. But I need a VIP. Oh my goodness, we have a captain.
No, not a captain.
It's
So how long is this video going to be?
15.
How much is it now?
It's at 10 minutes. Why?
2 minutes?
It's at 10 minutes right now.
Okay.
Yeah, Titanic hits the iceberg. There's nothing here. What? The captain left.
I'm the captain.
The boiler room is flooding.
I like the boiler room.
You like what?
I like the boiler room. It's fun. It's nice and hot. I like to take steam baths in it.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and
Ow.
please leave a like and
Ow, that
subscribe.
actually hurts it.
Walter, 14 feet about to kill in 10 minutes. And boiler room.
Oh, his leg came off. That's
But the ship can't sink.
Hey, I thought you said you were done.
Hold on, I wanna read this next.
And hold. Just a few more minutes. 3.
Wait, oh my goodness, and the iceberg shows up now. From this moment forward, no matter what we do, Roblox Titanic will founder.
Now just jump off.
Okay, I'm gonna wait till the iceberg gets here.
Hey, iceberg, speed up a little. Speed up a little, please. Please, iceberg, speed up a little. Make this over.
What?
Make this over.
What do you mean?
Make it over. It's done. Cut off right now.
Okay, hold on. Thank you guys for watching.
Don't worry, there'll be a
Please,
part 2.
please leave a like and subscribe and
Part
see.
2 will be coming.
Thank you guys for watching.
Part 2.
Please
Part 2.
leave a
Part 2 is
like
coming.
and
I
subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
bet.
Good.
Diddle-diddle-diddle-dee.
No, it's lee.
Action.
And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Action.